Hello everyone. I'm going to demonstrate how I make my painted paper in a really quick video. This is a quart of paint that I've already made up. I use just plain acrylic paint from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. For every quart of paint, I put roughly a tablespoon of cornstarch or talcum powder because I like the silky feel of the paper after it dries. So this is 4 2-ounce paints mixed with water and the cornstarch, and that's all that it is. So here we go. So the first thing I do is just pour a small bath in my pan here that I picked up. That works really well for this. And I have 2 small sheets here I'm going to use to demonstrate, if I can get it open. Oh, I should have opened it before my video. Ta-da, there we go. Okay, so the first thing I do is I just put the paper in, like so. Turn it around this way, like so. This way. And this way. Always wear some sort of rubber or latex gloves. And then just let it drain a little. And I'll do this on the edges. It just helps make it drain faster. And when I'm done, I just lay it out on a piece of cloth, just plain cotton, and let it dry. I have used newspaper and other types of paper, but the paper and newspaper with the ink will bleed, and regular paper or other types of paper will adhere to it as it dries, and then they stick together. So I have found that the cloth works much better, and as you can see, it's stained with paint and tea, coffee, you name it. I do wash it every once in a while, but once it's stained, it don't come out. So this, and I will let that dry a few hours, and it will have a texture when it's done, a soft texture of the paint, but the cornstarch makes the difference in the softness, so that it's got a baby butt feel. Thanks for watching.